Part 1. Which of the following is the main disadvantage of a sole proprietorship, or NBEA Law 4? Long hours, low pay, unlimited liability, or full control? When two or more people decide to open a business, what legal form would most likely be used? From NBEA Law 4. Sole proprietorship, corporation, not-for-profit, or partnership. Who is in charge of or runs a corporation? The board of directors, the stockholders, the trustees, or the general public? The group of laws that protect inventions falls under which of the following? Copyright, patent, trade secrets, or trademark? How long does a copyright last for? 10 years, 21 years, the life of the owner plus 50 years, or 50 years? A binding legal agreement is also known as what? A contract, a treaty, an obligation, or memorandum? Being of sound mind and body, as well as old enough to understand the terms of a legal agreement, would satisfy which of the following? Legality, agreement, consideration, or capacity? The percentage of the price of an item that goes to the local or state government is known as what? Gross percentage, sales tax, income tax, or marketable percentage? Which agency is in charge of ensuring all employees have safe working conditions? The Watchdog Administration, Conditions of Public Safety Administration, Occupational Safety and Health Administration, or the Better Business Bureau? The words, symbols, or designs that identify a company and its products are known as what? Symbolism, trade manifests, trademarks, or trade indicators? When a work of art can be used by anyone for free, we say that it has entered what? Public entity, private evasion, public domain, or free forum? Which form of business ownership continues to run as normal even if the owner dies? Sole proprietorship, partnership, corporation, or finance? This type of business takes and gathers raw goods from within the earth. Producer, processor, manufacturer, or retailer in service? This type of business makes a finished product out of the processed goods. Producer, wholesaler or intermediary, manufacturer, or retailer in service? This type of business takes raw goods and turns them into a more finished product. Producer, processor, manufacturer, or retailer in service? Which of the following laws sets minimum wage and maximum work hours? the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission, the Fair Labor and Standards Act, the Occupational Safety and Health Act, or the Fair Pay and Workers Act. What do you get when you pay for a franchise license? A proven business plan, the ability to use company name and products, the company's supply chain to get product, or all of the above. Setting standards for work, evaluating performance, and solving problems that prevent certain tasks from being completed is which of the four functions of management? Planning, organizing, directing and leading, or controlling? When a teacher creates lesson plans and figures out what resources such as handouts, worksheets, and supplies are needed, which function of management are they using? Planning, organizing, directing and leading, or controlling? Carrying out the decisions and plans made from those above them, as well as organizing and leading others, are tasks performed on which level of management? Top level management, middle management, operational management, or supervisory management? This is the set of moral standards for judging whether something is right or wrong. Ethics, social responsibility, the marketing concept, or consumerism. This is a philosophy that focuses on the consequences of an action to determine whether it is right or wrong. This philosophy holds that an action that affects the majority adversely is morally wrong. Distributive justice, pre-conventional morality, social responsibility, or utilitarianism. Which of the following statements about utilitarianism is true? Utilitarianism is designed to create both winners and losers. The application of utilitarianism concept will only produce winners. There are no negative costs associated with utilitarianism. Or using utilitarianism, a manager can accurately calculate how his or her decision will affect the majority of the business. Summer Dean was walking through the mall and found a gym bag lying on the ground. The decision Dean must make as to whether to keep the gym bag and its contents for herself or turn it into the mall's lost and found department involves this: consumerism, ethics, cultural awareness, or social reciprocity. Which of the following is an example of an unethical business activity? The employee uses the company computer to check his results in a network auction. The employee did not report his supervisor for taking several illegal deductions on his income tax report. The employee told several jokes that demeaned Polish people. Or all of the above are examples of unethical business activities. One of the keys to ethical business behavior is: the employee told several jokes that made fun of blonde women. The employee used the company postage meter to mail letters to her family. The employee reported to his supervisors that a coworker had misappropriated company funds. Or the employer went to see a movie one afternoon when she was supposed to be making a sales call. These are all the individuals or groups to whom a business has a responsibility. stockholders, consumers, lobbying bodies, or stakeholders.